Welcome to the Best Picks. The best brake pads is probably one of the most crucial components for your electric bike, ensuring your safety and control on every ride. Today, we're diving deep into the world of e-bike brake pads, exploring different types, materials, and performance characteristics to help you make the best choice. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the e-bike scene, understanding your brake pads is key to a safe and enjoyable experience. Number 5. Corki Cycles Brake Pads. These brake pads are designed for a wide range of bikes. They offer excellent performance and are easy to install. You'll experience improved braking power and control. Resin brake pads provide a comfortable braking feel. They offer excellent initial bite and are ideal for casual riding. The smooth performance delivers predictable power and less noise. Choose resin or organic pads for casual use. For more frequent riding, select semi-metallic pads. For aggressive riding, consider multi-metallic or sintered metal options. Note that resin and semi-metallic pads aren't suitable for e-bikes or hybrid bikes. These brake pads are compatible with numerous Shimano models. They are designed to fit perfectly and provide reliable braking performance. Check the full list to ensure they fit your specific bike model. The Corki Cycles brake pads also work with many Tektro models. They offer a great replacement for your worn-out pads. Ensure compatibility with your Tektro brake system for optimal performance. These brake pads are also compatible with TRP models. They are a reliable choice for your TRP brake system. Enjoy enhanced braking performance with these quality pads. What we like. These brake pads offer a comfortable braking feel, making your ride smoother and more enjoyable. They also provide excellent initial bite, ensuring responsive stopping power. If you're looking for a reliable and comfortable braking experience, you should consider these. What people say. The brake pads fit perfectly. The brakes work great. They were easy to install. Number 4. Corki Cycles Brake Pads. These brake pads are built to last, improving your braking power and extending their lifespan. You'll want to get plenty of use out of them before needing a replacement. They are designed to be durable, wear-resistant, and long-lasting. When choosing new brake pads, consider the size, compatibility, and material. We offer different materials to match your riding style. Choose the one that suits your needs best. For casual riding, choose resin organic pads. Semi-metallic pads are great for more frequent use. For aggressive riding, like downhill, multi-metallic sintered or copper brake pads are perfect. Just like your car, you want quick-reacting brakes on your bike. These brake pads offer the perfect thickness for longevity and wear resistance. They provide split-reaction braking and greater responsiveness on the trails. Before ordering, check your current brake pads for compatibility. These brake pads are compatible with a wide range of models, including TRP Tektro and Shimano Deore. Make sure it fits your bike. To install, remove your wheels and old brake pads. Check the pistons and brake cables. Use a flat tool to push the pistons back, preparing for the new pads. Insert the new brake pads and secure them. Reattach your wheel and check the rotor positioning. If there's friction, you may need to file the pads slightly, or it may wear down after a few rides. What we like. These brake pads are built to last, offering durability and wear resistance for extended use. They also provide responsive braking, ensuring quick reactions on the trails. If you are looking for a long-lasting and responsive braking solution, this is the one for you. What people say. I've put about 50 miles on them so far and they are working great. The pads fit perfectly and were easy to install. The stopping power is much improved. Number 3. Zonon Bike Brake Pads for Shimano Deore. Tired of squeaky brakes? These Zonon brake pads are designed for a smooth and quiet ride. They are a perfect replacement for your worn-out pads. This package includes 4 pairs of brake pads, giving you plenty for replacements. This ensures you're always prepared for maintenance and have a longer service time. Made from reliable materials, these brake pads offer stronger braking performance. They are wear-resistant and reduce noise, providing a stable and consistent experience. These brake pads are compatible with a wide range of models, including M315, M355, M515, and more. Check the list to see if they fit your bike's brake system. These brake pads have undergone strict inspection and control. They are free from harmful substances, ensuring your safety and peace of mind. You can trust them for a comfortable and convenient ride. What we like. These brake pads offer stronger braking performance, ensuring your safety on the road. They also provide wear resistance and noise reduction, enhancing your riding experience. If you are looking for a reliable and quiet braking experience, you should consider these. What people say. Once installed, the larger brake pad surface area provides a significant increase in stopping power. These have restored the braking to my bike, they're powerful and smooth now. I installed a set of these on the front and rear of my bike a month ago to replace the rattly and noisy original pads. Number 2. Bike brake pads with installation tools. Tired of buying tools separately? This package includes 4 pairs of bike brake pads and essential installation tools. It comes with a disc brake gap regulator, a hydraulic brake piston press tool, and a hex wrench. You get everything you need in one convenient package. Buying these tools separately can be expensive. With this set, you're getting everything at a great value. You can save money without sacrificing quality. These brake pads are made with a mix of copper fiber and organic resin. The copper fiber makes them wear-resistant and heat-resistant, ensuring a long lifespan. The resin helps reduce noise and protects your disc. These disc brake pads are compatible with a wide range of Shimano and Tektro models. It works with many popular brake systems. You can enjoy the same quality as name brands at a lower cost. Not sure how to install them? We've got you covered. Refer to our video for step-by-step instructions. If you have any questions, we're here to help. What we like. These brake pads come with essential installation tools, making replacement a breeze. They are made of hard-wearing material, ensuring long-lasting performance. If you want a complete package with easy installation and wide compatibility, you should consider these. What people say. Compatibility was spot on. These pads fit perfectly with my Shimano MT200 setup, and I also tested a pair on a friend's Tektro-equipped bike just to see how universal they really were. Performance-wise, they exceeded expectations. The stopping power is strong and consistent, even on longer rides where heat buildup can usually cause fade. They worked great, easy to install, even came with cotter pins and an Allen wrench that fit my brake hardware. Number 1. PACYTION Bike Brake Pads with Installation Tools. Introducing the PACYTION Bike Brake Pads, a complete kit designed for your convenience. This package includes 4 pairs of brake pads and 3 essential installation tools, saving you time and money. Forget about buying tools separately. This set comes with a disc brake gap regulator, a hydraulic brake piston press tool, and a hex wrench. Buying these separately would cost you much more. These semi-metallic brake pads are made with copper fiber and organic resin. The copper fiber ensures they are wear-resistant and heat-resistant, while the resin minimizes noise and protects your disc. These brake pads are compatible with a wide range of Shimano models, including XDR, XT, SLX, and Deore. You can get the same quality as name brands at a lower cost. Enjoy smooth braking with these semi-metallic pads. They produce less noise than sintered metal pads and reduce disc wear, providing a comfortable experience. Not sure if these pads fit your bike? Send us a picture of your caliper, and we'll help you confirm. We are here to help if you have any issues with the product. What we like. These brake pads come with essential installation tools, making replacement a breeze. They are made of hard-wearing material, ensuring long-lasting performance. If you want a complete package with easy installation and wide compatibility, you should consider these. What people say. Brake pads fit perfectly. The pads are a perfect fit and work great. The brakes are much more responsive now. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.